Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh never dry out. So first, you'll need to take your Play-Doh out of the package. Yeah, so take it out. And then I'm just showing you how the Play-Doh is kind of hard. And now you're going to put in your lotion. I'm using St. Ives because that's what's worked for me. So now we're going to put in the lotion. So I'm going to put in the lotion, and you should only put in one squirt at a time. There we go. Now we're going to knead it with our hands till it becomes more soft. Just like that. I'm doing it in time lapse right now. So here is the soft Play-Doh. And as you can see, the soft Play-Doh is stretchy, is more stretchy than the original Play-Doh. And here's the original Play-Doh. It's not that stretchy. It just breaks apart when you try to stretch it. And yeah, there's a comparison. And so I'm gonna stretch it a bit and show you how much it stretches. So the first one is the soft, the second one is the hard. So I think the soft Play-Doh is better, and the hard Play-Doh, it's not that good. I'm just putting in more lotion. So if you put in a little at a time, it's good. Don't put in too much, because then it would explode in your hands and be all messy, just like what happened to me. And I'm just mixing it up again. So here is a Play-Doh. It's like one of my Play-Dohs that was, and I'm just giving another comparison to both of the Play-Dohs. So that's the hard. Here's the soft, the one with the lotion in it. And it's way more stretchy. I think I really like the soft Play-Doh better. And I'm showing you how stretchy it is. So here's a fun prank. If you put some lotion on the doorknob and spread it, you can't open it. No one can open the door, and that's a funny prank. So yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then like this video and subscribe to the channel. That's it for today. Bye. Bye for now.